Hey guys, so in this lesson I'm just going to show you how I normally cut my 6 inches square. Of course you don't have to watch this if you feel confident and you feel you don't need to watch this lesson, but I'm just gonna do it. So what I normally do is I would measure the 6 inches, so that's for the first square, and then 12 inches for the second square, and then I do the same for this side. So 6 and then 12. And then what I do is I use the triangular square, is it called? I think so. And I just align it with the top of the paper. So you have a 90-degree angle here, and just draw the line. And I think we are a bit lower, so I can do the first squares and then do the other ones. So do the same here in the middle. So we have 6 inches there. I could take another measurement of 6 inches here, and then align this with the top of the paper again, like so, and draw the other line, and then take another measurement here, so 6 and 12, and we have the 6 here, so I take another measurement here, 6, so we can draw the line here in the middle, and we have the first two squares at the top, and then we can use again this one, just align it with the line you have drawn before, and then it was here, just finish up your squares. So let's align this as well. And it's over here. And then you can just draw the last of the lines, and you have your squares. And then you can just cut them. I would use the cutting knife like I showed you before, because with the scissors you might go sort of a little bit off square. So make sure you have a cutting mat underneath, and you use your ruler. It would be better to use one of those metal ones, but if you don't have it, just be careful and use your square ruler and just cut your squares. And then when you have your squares ready, then we're ready to finally start drawing. Yay! Okay, so I'll see you in the next lesson then.